good morning. I'm making a new cozy productive vlog because I have just closed my shop a couple days ago, and now I need to pack all of the orders. So I thought I would take you with me throughout the whole process. And I also wanted to unbox a couple of things that arrived. You liked my latest unboxing of the iPad Pro M3 with nano texture glass. I'm gonna link it somewhere here. You liked that video, so I thought I would unbox a couple more things with you in this vlog. So first things first, the lovely people at Divoom sent me their pixel art cloud frame that I'm very excited to unbox. So let's open it. It's currently 9 p.m. so it's pretty late. I'm currently halfway through the packing. This is the situation. It's pretty messy, so I was hoping I could finish packing today, like everything today, but I'm actually halfway through and it's been, I think, 3 hours. It took me a lot of time because I hadn't packed anything in a while. I wasn't used to it anymore, so I had to get in the flow again. It's been super fun, so I'm very happy to have opened my shop for a week. Maybe in the future I'll be able to keep it open indefinitely.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I finished wrapping up and packing all of my shop orders in the past couple days. You can see them all here. I'm gonna ship them out probably on Saturday, so in 3 or 4 days, because in the next days I'm gonna go away with Mocha on a short trip. This shop opening was a wonderful experience. It made me want to keep my shop open indefinitely and not just for a fixed amount of time, but it's a lot of work, and also I first want to see how shipments will go for these packages. So before wrapping this vlog up, I wanted to show you one last thing because I did something. I finally got the new MacBook Pro. This is supposed to work with 2 different monitors, so hopefully it's gonna make my life a lot easier, because at the moment I was using my old MacBook, which is from 2020, I believe, and it only supported 1 monitor at a time. So I had to decide if I wanted to use the monitor or the Wacom. But I actually when I purchased the Wacom, my idea was to use it, like place it down below the monitor and work while having the monitor up. So I've decided to finally upgrade. Hopefully I'll be able to work with both the Samsung Viewfinity S9 and the Wacom. So let's unbox it together. And this is everything for this vlog, guys. I am very happy you've been enjoying my latest one. So I thought I would do a second one, and maybe I'll do more in the future. If you like them, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you want to see any other type of content, let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.